Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter at the workbench, making straight edges. If you recall, I had made mention that when you make straight edges, you make 3 of them. Because you want to reference one to the other. So, if A is the same as B, so one way I test is put the wood on there and try and pivot it. Doesn't want to pivot. Then I pick it up, hold it together, look at the light. I got a couple different light sources in here, and there's no light showing through. So A matches B. Then if A matches B, and then if B matches C, there's a little bit of light on the end. Just on this end. But if B matches C, then C should match A. And it does. So, let's reverse the order of these. Flip them over. And then flip them end for end. And playing this side. If you want to know your progress, you put some pencil lines on there, but I can feel it. I'm not trying to make perfect parallels. I'm trying to make straight edges. Parallels would be like trying to make winding sticks. Now this plane is my number 6 that I had professionally ground flat. Okay? So to whatever tolerance the machinist's surface grinder was, that's how flat it is. Okay, a little bit of pencil mark there. And it's gone. So, once again, if the first one matches the second one, and that's very nice, that's tight. And the second one matches the third one, also tight. Then the third one should match the first one. And it does. So for all intents and purposes, these are all now straight. Another way to test it would be to pivot it. And they're straight. So there you go. If A equals B and B equals C, then C should equal A and you should be able to spin them around and they're all flat. So now we have straight edges. I can test my bench top. See that? Almost flat. That's about it for today. Thanks for coming by. I really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, and share, and head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. These are oak. Walter out.